Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be trying to get that helicopter we saw, but without dying. Now this map seems just like a little more challenging. The spawn rate for the zombies are just a little more high, so this might be a little challenging. I'm not quite sure. I don't have any weapons, and I'll explain why. I kind of died. Yeah, I died. But that's okay, because we got this, and we'll totally get more weapons, right? Right. That town down there does have a police station, but it's so hard to get stuff because there's so many zombies. Ooh. Yeah, that's the penthouse. Yeah, that's the penthouse. Pretty sure that's what they're called, penthouses. Or I think that's some type of apartment. I don't know, maybe I'm just being the dum-dum. Who knows? So, yeah, here we are. There's the helicopter, you can see the blade. And we'll just go ahead and walk up and take it. Because, you know, the zombies, they don't quite need it anymore, right? Yeah, I know, right? Ooh, berries. I'll take these. I love berries. Berries are so good. Don't eat too many. They're not good for you. I'm pretty sure they don't mind if I take the berries. Yeah, they're okay if I take their berries. So I'm just gonna go behind this guy. Actually, real quick. Actually, no, I can't. Yeah. Alright. I thought I could level up something. But turns out I can't. So, woohoo. Sure. Zombies in there. No. Perfect. Golf club. And a bat. Just what I needed, actually. Let's go. Alright. These guys have a lot of money. Is that a gun? No, it's a golf club. Yeah, just a golf club. Just look like they're living the good life. I'll actually take that. Ooh, I look cool now. Tuxedo bottom. I wonder if these... Do they sell more? Yes, they do. So let's scavenge this. And I'll craft a rag. And I don't think I will be needing another tuxedo bottom for a while. So scavenge both of these, and I'll hockey key that to hockey key number 3. Perfect. So we're gonna try to be really silent doing this. I'm gonna go over here. I'm just gonna see how much power and fuel the helicopter has. Ooh, there's a car over there. You know what? We might just take the car for now. Yeah, we'll do it with the car real quick, because that has no fuel. So let's go over here and see if this has fuel. And if it does, we'll take it. All of it. It'll be for us. Let's see. A white shirt top. Let me just see if that... No, it doesn't. I don't know why it would. Hold more space. Oh. Yes, now they have weapons, we can finish these guys off. Hopefully they won't be that much of a problem. You already looked in there. There's nothing in here. Not in a battery. Jeez, what is with these cars? It's like nothing. Absolutely nothing. So, I'm not gonna try to go in there. I'm gonna try to get in there. Well, I'm gonna go in there, but I'm gonna try to get in there through this way. But ignore all the blood. Just ignore that. Right? Left. And pretty sure they're okay with me going in the house. No, to play it safe, I'm gonna make all the zombies go over there. Yeah. And are there any zombies? No, there's not. Perfect. Just perfect. Better for me. Oh, that was scary. That's always so scary. Perfect. Over there now. Really, really quiet though. Okay. Doing good. Last time, right here, there was stuff, like a vest that we could have used. I think that's the only zombie in there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this zombie out. Oh no, they're coming back, they're coming back. Hold on, I'm gonna play it safe real quick. Let's see if, you know, that went by pretty quick. I don't know about you, but it kind of worries me. So I'm gonna go into first person and we're gonna take out this guy. Perfect. A gun. You know, I knew eventually we'd come across one. Ooh, I think this holds more. I'm gonna scavenge these and I'm gonna turn this into rags. All of these. We're gonna need it. And craft bandage. There. Just gonna heal myself real quick. Then we'll be right back at it. It's not actually much up here. And we did find the gun that's pretty cool, but I expected a little more. Oh man. Actually, I'll take that. What is this? Oh, Connor! Oh, I think these hold more. No, they don't. We'll go ahead. Put this right here. Perfect. These katanas are so powerful. Alright, so we have a katana now. It's pretty good. We're doing good. We're doing really good. Alright, so I'm gonna peek down here. This guy found me. Test this. Perfect. Look how much damage that did. Cross scope. Ooh, cool. We have a scope now. Quiet. Okay, I'm gonna go through there. Too many zombies. I don't want to risk it. Actually, I'm gonna take that because I know how to craft guns and stuff. So, oh no, guns, weapons. Yes, that's a more nice word. I know how to craft weapons, so we'll go ahead and do that once I find more stuff to craft with. Perfect. This is all just perfect. This day is going by real nicely. Smooth, actually. These zombies are scaring me. Like, they keep making crazy noises. It's spooky. Very, very spooky. Right. We need to find a gas can. Gas can. Hello, gas can. Gas can. The gas can. Oh. That was spooky. Hold on, second time, you know. No, we got this. We all got this. This is going to do pretty well. No problem. Nothing can go wrong, right? Right. Guys, look. Found a gas can. Gas can. Perfect. So now we can get out of this place. Yo, hunk of junk. Bro, this zombie doesn't know what he's doing. Get wrecked. Oh, cool. Ooh, 2 katanas. That's crazy. That's insane, Jarvis. Perfect. Let's get out of here. We don't need to be here anymore. We don't need this place. I'm gonna go look around. Make sure no zombies are gonna jump out and no one can kill us. I think that was the last one. Yes. Yes. Perfect. So, I'll grab this. We'll fill it up. We're gonna fill it up all the way. So, might as well. What is that? Ooh, a butterfly knife! Oh, these are people do tricks with butterfly knives. Pretty cool. Alright. Now I'll just go in back here. Almost done. And then we're gonna refill the gas can to the maximum when we're done. I'm just gonna wait to jump over that. Perfect. Full fuel. Then we're gonna finish this, and then we'll be good. We set, guys. We got this. Perfect. Alright, just gotta make sure zombies, and I have nowhere to go. So let's just get out of here. Let's take off. Go. Oh no. Yes! Guys, we did it! Mission accomplished! Well, we did it, folks. Got ourselves a helicopter. Now I'm gonna head back to the island that we were planning to call home. Now that I have a helicopter, it can be easy transportation. Perfect. This is great. This looks so good now. Ooh, look at everything you can see. Oh, wow, that waterfall is so nice. That's a tank over there. I'm gonna have to check out that bridge later. That's a great campsite and whatnot. We're doing great. This is just great. Alright, so we're gonna land safely over here. Actually land over here. This is gonna be tricky. Come on, Carter. Got this. I can't mess up now. Avoid the tree. Go the trees. Yes! Yes! We did it! We did it! And there we go. We got a helicopter. Mission accomplished. Perfect. I think I'm going to end the video right here. Like, share, and subscribe for more content. And I'll be back with this. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!